Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Maverick Lee, and today we are going to try Chaoshan beef noodles. Let's go, let's check it out, let's see what it's all about. So here we have cha sauce for our Chaoshan beef noodles. Look at that, the presentation looks exceptional. For presentation alone, I would give this a 5 out of 5. That looks pretty good considering this is beef noodles. That is nice. Look at all the colors there, the colors is very good. Okay, and here is the famous Chaoshan beef. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I've been wanting to try this for ages. It smells nice. Very tender, very soft. Let's dip it in the sauce. Wow. The sauce and this together. Perfect. Now on top of here, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's garlic or what. I think it's garlic. Yeah, it's garlic. It's very nice. Very good. As you know, garlic goes well with anything. Let's try some of the noodles. Look at the noodles. The noodles are nice. I've never seen noodles that look like that before. It almost looks like udon, but it's not. Hope they're nice. I don't think they're rice noodles either. They don't look like rice noodles. For me, usually noodles has no flavor, no real taste, but them are not bad. I feel like the noodles actually absorb some of the sauce, some of the soup, so that's a first. Okay, let's try one of these beef balls. Nice. Not as good as this. Not as good as this beef, but it's nice. A little bit chewy. I prefer this one. This one's very good. Especially in the sauce. Oh my goodness. Let's try some of the soup. The soup's not too bad. I think the soup would be better if the sauce was actually poured into the soup. I think it would taste much better. But overall, it's not bad. I feel like the soup lets it down a little bit. The soup could be better. It could be a bit saltier. It was originally a strong 4.7, but after trying the soup, which isn't that good, I would give it a 4.5 4.4, 4.4. If they added more salt to that soup, or made it slightly thicker, or even maybe put some sauce in. Let's try some sauce in. Let's see what it's like with some sauce in. Mix it a bit. Let's try that. Yeah, it tastes much better with the sauce mixed in. You know, right now it's just like hot water. But you need more of a brothy like soup. That's what you need for this. And with the sauce mixed in, it creates that brothy effect. But again, it's still missing some salt. But yeah, it's not bad, quite nice. Well, if you like this video, check out the other videos on my channel for further content like this. Don't forget, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.